Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited to announce that I have a new online class to share with you all. It is my Peaceful Noel online class. So in the video, I'm going to give you all the details about how this Peaceful Noel class works, what's included, and how you can pre-order your spot today. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video and I'll give you all the details. All right, so here's everything that's included in my Peaceful Noel online class. I'm so excited about this class. The Peaceful Noel stamp set is so much fun to work with. I had a great time using these images to create the projects for the class. I think you are going to really enjoy this class. So the class includes the Peaceful Noel bundle and also a full roll of the Mary Merlot copper ribbon. This is a double-sided ribbon. It is beautiful. So you can see on one side it has a Mary Merlot copper mix, so pretty, and then on the other side it has just the Mary Merlot by itself. Such gorgeous ribbon. So a full roll of this ribbon is included in the class. And then all of the paper supplies to make one of each of the projects is included completely free as a gift from me to you for purchasing this online class. And then there are a couple of the snowflake and star embellishments included. These are copper embellishments. They are so pretty. I had fun using these. And then you also have a half sheet of each of the Joyous Noel glimmer papers in copper, Tranquil Tide, and Mary Merlot. And of course, your envelopes are also included for free. And then let me just give you a quick sneak peek of the 5 projects we will be making. There are 2 Christmas tags / ornaments, whatever you'd like to use them for, and then 3 beautiful cards, you guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous projects. So the cost of the class is $53.22, which covers the retail value of the Stampin' Up! Product included in the class, and then it also covers tax and priority shipping. Remember, you're not paying for any of this, okay? So registration and pre-order for this class is available starting today, October 6th, through Tuesday, October 9th. So registration and pre-order will close Tuesday, October 9th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So the registration link for this online class is just below the video in the description notes. Fill out that form and I will invoice you. I will send you a PayPal invoice within 24 hours of receiving your completed registration form. And then all PayPal invoices must be paid by October the 9th, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. On the registration form, there is also the option to add on the ink pads that I'll be using in the class: Granny Apple Green, Mary Merlot, Tranquil Tide, and Sahara Sand. And there's also the option to add on Stampin' Dimensionals, mini glue dots, snail adhesive, or paper snips if you need any of those. I will be ordering all of the class product on Wednesday, October the 10th, and then class packages will ship by Thursday, October the 18th, and the exclusive class video tutorial will be emailed out on Saturday, October the 20th. All right, so I hope that you guys are as excited about this online class as I am. Please let me know if you have any questions. The registration link is down below in the video description. Thanks so much, you guys, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.